In this video, we're going to help you get GMS and Google Play services on your HUAWEI Mate 30 Pro 5G. We will take your worries away in this quick explanation for you. Here is our recommended solution for you to enjoy your HUAWEI Mate 30 Pro 5G with the Google services. First, you need your laptop to visit this website, and the link is available in the description of this video. To download the GMS.zip file, you'll face this warning first. Don't worry, click the download anyway. We recommend using the USB OTG cable adapter with flash storage, which is your pen drive. You'll plug it into your computer to copy the file onto your pen drive. Next, you will insert the flash disk via OTG adapter to your phone's Type-C port, after which you will then copy the GMS.zip to the USB folder. When you scan the USB, you'll have to scroll down to find the zip file at the bottom. Extract the Huawei.zip on USB storage, followed by extracting the same file into the root directory of the USB storage. Once you've done that, go to Settings, where you'll see System and Updates, and once you're in there, select Backup and Restore, followed by the Data Backup option on the next page. You will press the big blue icon saying Agree, from where you will then select External Storage USB Storage. Now you will see the File Restore from Backup. You will select that and make sure all boxes of the backup details are checked and click Restore. Then you will see the password tip and you will enter that onto the bar. Once you've entered, you should click the tab that says Done. Now go back to the USB storage to locate the Google folder, where you will be able to find the Google Play Store icon or file. In the Google folder, you should install all the 6 apps. You should also enable all permissions. Once you're back on the home screen, locate and open the app with the G icon on your phone. They will be in Chinese, so don't worry, it is quite simple. You will then click Activate to enable the device's admin permission. Once you're on the screen, you should click the blue button, which will pop up with another option to confirm. Just click the blue response option. Once the files will begin downloading, you should restart your phone. There you have it. Once the phone has restarted, you'll see the Play Store icon. You will now be able to open the Play Store app and sign in onto your Google account. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the installation. You will now be able to enjoy Google services on your new HUAWEI Mate 30 Pro 5G.